So I recently purchased a Lancer Tactical AK-47 and I thought, well, might as well make a wall mount for it. So today I will be vlogging myself making the wall mount. Let's get into it. Alright, I messed up. So I was supposed to be printing in rainbow, but it's pink. Yay! Pink wall mounts. It's time to mount it on the wall. I'd say it turned out pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am trying to post a video every other day. That won't always be the case due to my schedule being packed, but know I am trying my hardest to get content out to you guys. Possibly consider dropping a like, a subscribe. It really helps me out getting more videos to you guys. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.